Dạ, xin chào Gia.
Vâng, chào anh. Anh đây là Mèn Mén đấy, anh giúp hộ em ạ. Vâng. Nào rồi, cái thang ấy ạ. Vâng, để anh xuống. Đây, đây. Này, mình bóc vỏ đây. Đây là bắp ngô mà vừa lấy trên gác về, xong là mình bóc vỏ thế này.
Ok. Wow.
Xong đó là bỏ cái vỏ này ra. Bóc cái vỏ này ra mình cho vào cái này. Đây. Xong đó là xong tiếp là mình cho vào đây. Đấy. Anh sang bên đây hộ anh với. Xong là mình tiếp tục quay nhẹ vào.
Wow. So fast.
Rồi. Anh ngồi bên đây.
Okay. So, a quick method of processing the corn, super fast, and it comes out just like that.
Vâng.
So easy, so quick. Corn is an important source of energy and it's an important daily meal for many of the locals and is known as Mèn Mén, or steamed ground maize, which is cooked by steaming corn powder. This is also the most popular and typical dish of the Hmong people. To make Mèn Mén, the Hmong people have to follow a picky recipe with various steps. After being harvested, the corn will first be separated from the cob like this.
Cái mà hạt mà nó tốt ấy thì có thể là bỏ cái này ra.
Oh yeah.
Có sau đấy.
And before this machine was invented, how did you do this?
Chưa có cái máy tế này thì mình dùng vào tay, xong mình xoay thế này. Đấy. Xoay quay vòng cái này, xong mình đổ thêm. Đấy. Nó hơi chậm, mình làm này chậm, khoảng 2-3 người thì mình làm mới kịp được. Làm được.
After getting enough corn for the meal, we quickly move on to the next step, which requires a lot more human strength and power.
Ôi. Thôi rồi, bỏ ra cái này. Đây mình có thể là cho hạt vào xuống với vút mình quay. Đấy. Ôi, chưa quên một phát là một lúc rồi sẽ có thể quên được. Đấy, nhẹ. Ôi giời. Bạn thấy cũng mệt đấy.
Yeah.
Mệt.
It definitely beats the gym.
Rồi.
Zhang instructed me how to grind the corn and to screen them to remove big corn kernels and shells. Today, many Hmong families use machines for this step, but Zhang still uses the stone grinders to grind corn by hand and to continue the traditional recipe. So, I'm sweating again with the Hmong family out in the mountains. It's very hard work out here. Everything we've done so far today, I've found really tough. It's been really tough work. So I know that their lives, they're definitely very, very hardworking people. The corn is almost all ground. So lucky for me, I get to stop soon. So, after this process, how is it prepared for eating?
Mình bớt cái hạt to mình bớt sang một bên, xong mình lấy cái hạt nhỏ vào mình đút vào, xong là sau đó mình trộn đều, trộn đều vào nước, còn cho ít nước vào, xong là mình xào xong rồi cho vào bình.
So Za is satisfied with my work, which makes me very, very happy. And we're ready to go to the next process in making this food. So let's go.
Cái này thì trước khi mình làm thì mình cho vào xả xong là mình đậu nhé. Đây nhá, anh quay nhé.
Ah,
Kia.
like a sieve.
Vâng. Xong sau đó là mình trộn nước vào. Cho nước vào. Đấy. Rồi. Đấy.
So now I'm going to try and follow Za's instructions and make my own Mèn Mén. Hopefully it will turn out just as nice as his. Ground corn is then mixed with a little water. With this experience, Zhang makes sure he added just enough water so the mixture is not too dry or not too wet, making sure the Mèn Mén is soft yet not too watery. The mixture is then steamed twice in the melting pot, and the timing depends on the type of corn. If we use young corn, then the Mèn Mén should be cooked for about 20 minutes. If it's old corn, then it takes longer. After being steamed for the first time, a little bit of water will then be added, and among people will use their hands to stir the mixture evenly. After being steamed twice, the Mèn Mén is ready to serve. It's really, really good, especially when so much hard work went into making it. It tastes even better. The texture is still very, very fine. And as Zaf said, not too much water. It doesn't make it too hard. I've never tasted anything like this. It's very hard to describe, but it has a very distinct taste, and it's absolutely delicious.
Nấu như thế là vừa đấy.
Xin cảm ơn. Cảm ơn Zaf.
Ở nhé.
Cooked Mèn Mén, often served with soups such as bone broth and pumpkin soup. The meal is also the time when the whole family gathers in a cozy and bonding atmosphere.